Back in 2017, Amazon introduced the Echo Show, which is an Alexa-enabled smart speaker with a screen. Since then, Google has come out with several smart displays of their own. Earlier this year, Amazon introduced the all-new Echo Show with some pretty great improvements. Let's take a look. One thing you'll notice about the new Echo Show is the size of the screen. It's a full 10-inch high-definition display and is great for streaming videos. If you look at the side profile, you'll see that the newer Echo Show takes up a bigger footprint, so that's something to consider when thinking about where to put it. It also features a fabric backing versus the old Echo Show that has a plastic and metal backing. On the top, the buttons are similar. You see the mic on, off, and then volume up, down buttons. The new Echo Show features the same Alexa voice technology that you find in other Echo speakers. The difference is this one has a screen. So if I were to ask Alexa, what's today's weather forecast?
Right now in Beaverton, it's 56 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has showers, with a high of 61 degrees and a low of 47 degrees.
So with other Echo devices without the screen, I would have just heard that information, but with the show, I get the opportunity to see the information as well. One thing that the new Echo Show has that the old one didn't is a built-in smart hub featuring Zigbee technology. That means if you have a smart home device that isn't necessarily Alexa enabled, if it has Zigbee protocols, you can connect it to this device. Other than the screen, one of the biggest improvements to the Echo Show is the sound. It's got a bigger woofer, a bigger tweeter, and it's just louder. Let me show you what I mean. Alexa, play I Like It by Cardi B.
I Like It by Cardi B, Bad Bunny and others on Amazon Music.
At $230, this is one of Amazon's most expensive Alexa speakers. However, it does come with more bells and whistles that other speakers don't, like the screen, the great sound, and the built-in smart home hub. It would be a great addition, most likely, to anyone's home. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click like below or leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want to learn more about the Echo Show, go ahead to digitaltrends.com and read our full review.